everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give unbiased review on the website intentsite.com. So if you are curious to know about the legitimacy of this website, let's check out the detail. As people from United States are very curious to know about the detail of this website. Intentsite.com is an e-commerce portal for shoe lover, as it offers a wide range of different types of shoes for men and women. The United States people are very curious, like they want to know about the legitimacy of products and the website, because it is actually providing a good number of discount on particular item. The website claims the world best fashionable products on the portal, but before making any online shopping nowadays, you must check out the legitimacy. For this we are here to share the details. It is HTTP secured website. The company has shared the physical address. The name of the company is MJM Aurus. They have mentioned the email address, contact detail have been shared on the portal. Moreover, it claims to offer a good amount of discount on men's and women's shoes. It has shared social media networking links, but these are not active. They just go to the Facebook homepage. It takes 12 to 20 days to deliver the product with standard shipping, and for express shipping it needs 5 to 12 days. If you want to return the product, you can return the product within 30 days of your purchase. It accepts different payment methods like PayPal, MasterCard, American Express, Visa, Discover, JCB and much more. The positive aspects of the website are: customer reviews are extant on the website and all are favorable. All communication modes have been shared except the contact details. All the policies have been shared on the website. The negative aspect of the website are: all social media pages links are shared but deactivates, which means no traffic, no publicity. It has shared misleading official address. It was created on 6th July 2021. It has a poor trust score, that is just 3.9. As far as trust index is concerned, it is extremely bad, that is 1%, and the content on the website is plagiarized. Question here is: intentsite.com is legit or a scam? So we are checking out the details. As we discussed, it was created on 6 July 2021, just for 1 year. It will expire right after 1 year. It has a bad trust rank and trust score. There is no information disclosed for company's founder. Intentsite secured 0 Alexa rating on internet. There is no activity on social media networking site. It has shared fake company address, that is misleading the customer. It is offering good amount of discount on some items. The content is copied. The product on the website looks very classy, trendy and comfortable and attractive, but it looks questionable due to all these features we have discussed. As far as customer reviews are concerned, as we discussed, it holds the footwear for both men and women, and we found some reviews on the website but are positive, and we are failed to collect verified reviews on verified portal like Trustpilot and any other website. So it's just to check out all the specification carefully before making any shopping from this store. From our verdict, as we discussed, it is newly launched website. It has poor trust rank, bad trust score, no traffic, no reviews on verified podium, and misleading company details. So we are not recommending this questionable website to our viewers. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views with us. We love to hear from you.